against Kenya in the World Cup. This is first against England here. Now he's decided to cut loose. Simple improvisation. Last ball of the innings. Looking to work it away on the onside, but this is a very good performance by India. Losing 3 early wickets, they bounce back to reach 2.
All a wrist from that. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power.
That's very well played indeed. It's very difficult judging stuff about.
That 4 also brings up the 200 with lovely stroke from Abdur Razak, intentionally playing it in the air against the spin. A few risks, but
What a shot! It's MS Dhoni! No, it's not! It's Rashid Khan!
In the slot, look at that. The pose, imposing himself on the bowler from ball 1.
Oh, it's the helicopter shot. It is the MS Dhoni. Look at that.
What a shot! What was that? How did he get it there? How did he hit that full toss? What is that thing?
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real.
Look at the bottom hand and look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big ground here at the IPC here, and he's cleared it quite easily.
Oh, he's got under that cutting. That's big. That's big. That's home among the gum trees. 4 for 370, Ben Cutting.
He's flicked his wrist like MS Dhoni. Flick 6. The helicopter shot. MS Dhoni. Hasn't even swung.
What hit? It was a helicopter shot for 6. Magnificent.
again, this gives the fans something to cheer about. Look at that. Full wish of the bat. Straight out the end.